The UFOND 2000 Lumen Work Lights are a powerful and versatile lighting solution perfect for a variety of environments, such as workshops, garages, and construction sites. With an impressive 20,000 lumen output, these lights offer two adjustable brightness settings, ensuring optimal illumination for any task. The energy-efficient LED technology not only provides brighter light, but also reduces heat and electricity costs compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The lights feature a highly adjustable design with a telescopic tripod that extends from 35 to 71 inches and lamp heads that rotate 360 degrees horizontally and tilt 270 degrees vertically. Constructed with professional die-cast aluminum housing and tempered glass, these lights are weather, water, and dust resistant, making them durable and reliable in harsh conditions. UFOND stands by the quality of their product with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind and excellent customer support.